Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your App Store, you might see the error that cannot connect to App Store. So basically, it's nothing else, it's just a network issue or your software glitch. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go back from here, open your settings app. So I recommend you how to try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection. Or you can also use Wi-Fi. After connecting the different network connection, just open your general section, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, go back from here and go to language and region option. Select region and select your own region from here. Again, go back and go to data and time section and just enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Go back and go to software update and just make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS. There's no any pending update for you. If you find just try to update your app, so after updating, just go back and you can try to reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it might be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. So just tap and drawn to reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network setting. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. And after doing this, just go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press on is the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so it might be a server issue. You can try to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So just try to wait for that, or you can also try to contact with the Apple support team. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use the Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, select More option, then select App Store, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.